Hi everybody, Tina here from Tina's Coupon Swap and Reviews. Today I am bringing you a review from Josie, I think that's how it's pronounced. This is their light up phone charger, USB charger, so when it's plugged in, it does change colors. And then they are emoji faces. So this one has the winking eye, and then this one has the smiley face. So I do have mine plugged into the USB, and then you get the whole plastic cord that is also lighted. And then this bottom piece changes colors. So it's really neat. It's just something to look at. It's easy to find your phone in the dark. It is sold on Amazon for $9.99. I will put the link and the price in the description box below. If you like my review, please give me a